Hey guys, up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be playing that fidget spinner that I had. But right now I'm a level 9, so yeah, I've been playing this for a lot while I wasn't recording. And I know a trick, like, and then wait for it to slow down, and then spin it again. Yeah, that gets me really far, like to 100 something. I'm probably not gonna get 100 on this one, but oh, actually, I might. Am I gonna get? Yes, I got over 100. So yeah. Okay, that was a pretty good spin. But I like this fidget spinner. It's really cool. Okay, it spins. It's at 7. Okay, I only have two swipes left. Only one. Just one more. Come on, get to 100. Get to 100. Yes. Okay, last swipe. And it was horrible. It was really bad. That was a really bad swipe. Okay, I'm gonna have to do that again. Like, see, if I just do that like I used to, it'll just spin until like 60. Or like 50. Not even 58. Close. Okay, collect all that gold. Like, I'm just gonna do that, and it's not gonna get very far. Okay, now I'm gonna do it so I get a bunch of gold. Okay. Only 3 remaining swipes. But this game, it's so fun. And it's really addicting. Last sweep. Probably not gonna get to 100, but okay. Okay. That'd be so awesome if you I just noticed this. It'd be so awesome if you literally got money when you spin a fidget spinner. I would have like $1 million. That looks really cool. When the fidget spinner spins, it looks really cool. At least get to 100, please. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade this. Oh gosh. My fidget spinner should be really good though. I upgraded it so much. Like, that's like the spaceship. It goes around. And then that planet. And it also looks cool when that pink stuff. Oh no, 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 no! Whoops. Went out of that. Okay. So I'm gonna use this fidget spinner. I think it's not too good, but yeah. I customized it. So yeah. Okay. So it's probably gonna stop soon. Come on, get to 100. Get to 100. Get to 100. Get to 100. Dang it. I'm so close. Wait. Customize. I can only use that fidget spinner to that one. Then I'll do that. So B and C. Just go like that and it looks pretty cool. That one's like a wooden fidget spinner. But this one's cool. Okay. Oh, I'm almost at level 10. My next fidget spinner is. I hope it's really cool. I'm almost level 10 though. Just almost. Okay. Yes, it's over 100. That was a pretty good spin. Ooh, that's almost 1,000. That was pretty cool. Wait. Oh, I'm so close. I think I only need to do this like 3 more times. And then it will, like 2 or 3 more times. And then I think I'll be level 10. Come on, please get to 100. Dang it. Oh, last. This is my last spin. I don't need to do a good spin. I'll just level up. Okay. And spinning. I'll collect it. And I can level up. What is it? What is it? Ooh, I like this fidget spinner. Probably my favorite. It's so cool. Purple and black fidget spinner. But it's just a 3-sided fidget spinner. But still, it still looks cool. Okay. I'll just wait until it's almost stopped, and then I'll swipe it again. I mean like almost stopped, like right now. Like that. It was like almost stopped. I almost lost. Actually, you can't lose in this game. But still. Okay. Only one more swipe. 120 and then I'll do it. Oh no, that was a horrible spin. Okay, I can do better. 1,000. That was horrible. Okay, I'll have to restart. Click that. Okay, I'll do what I tried to do. And then I think I'll do good spins. That was a bad spin. I'm already doing pretty bad. Only 2 swipes left. Okay, I can only swipe it one more time. So get to 100, and I think I'll swipe it. Oh, I'm not gonna get very far. I'm gonna get to like 115 maybe. Protects on that. Okay, I'll do it again. Here we go. I'm just gonna stop it and restart. That was horrible. That was a good spin. Okay. Now again. And then once it's stopped, I'll spin it again. Oh, dang it. I wasn't fast enough. Okay. Come on, get to 30. Nope. It can't get to 30. Okay. Doing some pretty good spins. Oh no. That was pretty bad. But, oh, come on. Get to 110. Get to 110. Get to 110. Seriously, I was so close. Okay. Once it's almost stopped, it should be right now. I'll spin it. And after it stops spinning, I think I'll end the video. So, yeah. $80. Nope. Can't. It won't get to 80. Get to 100 and then at least to 100. Do the last swipe. Oh, that was so close. I think I might be my high score. Yes, new best. Okay, awesome. No thanks. I need to know how much. I got 1,008 times 2 times. Can I times 2 it again? Just once. Seriously, an ad had to come on. I think I'll pause the video. I'll be right back. Guys, I'm back. And look how much coins I get. Okay, well, I think I'll end the video here. Please leave a like and subscribe and watch my other videos. Bye!